Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to ask Claude to summarize long texts and explain them in a manner that is more digestible and easily understandable. So this is a great technique to learn for people who work in the academe, or maybe you're a student who needs to cram several papers for an exam. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to click on this plus button right here to add a file, and I'm just going to add a scientific journal article. And now I'm going to ask it to summarize this article into bullet points and keep it concise. Explain it in terms that is easy to understand for a layman without prior knowledge of jargon. So it's pretty good. Now I'm going to hit enter. So depending on how much information you're asking it to process, it may take a little bit, but it looks like it does a good job here of doing it quite fast and quite naturally. So here's the summary. What is this about? Why does it matter? What did the researchers do and what did they find? Now, another thing you can do is to summarize the article into one sentence. So what this does is it condenses the information even more. So you get to sort of find the key takeaway from the article at a glance. Here we go. DEHP, a common plastic softening chemical, and its 5 breakdown products combine to the human progesterone receptor in a way that mimics the natural hormone, suggesting they may disrupt reproductive health. So that's very concise, and I would not have had to read through this 10-page journal article right here to understand that. One thing we can take this a step further is now explain the key takeaway as if I was a 12-year-old. So this is just a fun thing to do, and it's really useful as well if you're looking to share information with other people. So there's that. It took this and turned it into this. So as you can see, there's a lot less jargon and the use of analogies that make it very easy to understand. So this is a very useful technique to learn because you can also use it with other things such as meeting notes, long emails, legal documents, and other things besides research articles. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.